Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills.
Good morning class 3 students. Hope you all must be fine at your home. So today we will start a new topic, chapter 5, division. We will understand the concept of division. Okay student, so firstly हमें ये पता होना चाहिए what is division. Students, you studied in previous class ना division. सभी बच्चे लोग क्लास सेकंड में डिवीज़न चैप्टर पढ़ चुके हैं. सो लेट्स रिवाइज इट. द डिवीज़न इज़ अ मेथड ऑफ distributing a group of things into equal parts. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Here you can see there are, let's take one example. Here you can see there are many colorful balloons. Let's count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So students, I have drawn 8 balloons in my lesson plan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So can you see these are colorful balloons and they are divided. So now I have divided in equal parts. मैंने इन 8 बलून्स को इक्वल पार्ट्स में स्टूडेंट्स डिवाइड किया है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू ग्रुप्स and 4 balloons each. You can count it. There are how many groups? 2 groups and each group has 4 balloons. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So now let's write the statement. Using the division symbol. So students, आपको पता होना चाहिए division symbol जो होता है हमारा ये होता है. This is the division symbol of division. We can write this as 8 because there are 8 balloons. Now students, I have write the 8 number of balloons. There are 8 balloons, then divided as, so students, 8 balloons divided in 2 groups. So here we get the correct answer is 8 balloons divided by 2 groups equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So each group has 4 balloons. Now each group has 4 balloons. So 8 divided by 2, 4. Now let's take another example, students. Now in equal sharing, we divided a given number of things that into a certain number of groups. So now we have 16, we have 12 bananas. Okay, we have 12 bananas divided into 4 equal parts. अगर हम 12 bananas को divided करेंगे 4 equal parts में, so we get the answer is 3. So in the words we can say 12 divided into 4 equal parts, so we get 3. Now you can see students here. Now students, let's take another examples. Here you can see 4 monkeys are there. So in equal sharing, we divided a given number of things into a certain number of groups. We need to find how many things will be there in each group. Suppose 12 bananas are to be shared equally among 4 monkeys. Okay, how many bananas will each monkey get? इन 4 monkeys में आपको 12 bananas जो हैं equally share करना है. So we see that when the bananas are shared equally among 4 monkeys, So each monkey has got 3 bananas. 3, 3, 6, 3, 3s are 9 and 3, 4s are 12. So students, we can say in the words 12 divided into 4 equal parts. So we get the correct answer is 3. Okay, we write 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Now let's take another example. Complete the division facts by making equal groups. Divide 6 oranges equally among 3 children. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oranges को आपको equally share करना है 3 childrens में. So 6 divided, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया ये सिंबल होता है डिवीज़न का होता है. 6 डिवीज़न divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, the correct answer is 2. So each group को कितने बच्चों ऑरेंजेस मिलेंगे? 2. Now divide 15 books equally among 5 boys. आपको क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है 15 बुक्स को among 5 boys. ओके, 5 बॉयज़ में 15 बुक्स को डिवाइड करना है. 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, 3. सो ईच बॉयज़ के पास बच्चों 3 बुक्स आएंगी. ओके, सो 5 3s are 15. So here the number of books each boy has 3. ओके, यहाँ पर 3 भी लिखेंगे आप एंड यहाँ पर 2. द नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस ईच चिल्ड्रन गेट 2 एंड द नंबर ऑफ बुक्स ईच बॉय गेट्स 3. नाउ आई हैव सॉल्व 1 and 2 and another you have to solve it, and one more worksheet. Hope you all have understood the easy concept of division. Today we will continue the chapter 5 division, and we will learn the concept of dividend, divisor and quotient with examples. Okay students, so let's complete the exercise 5a. Have a good day.